I am making the easiest 2-ingredient dessert today. I've got a box of Angel Food cake mix and a can of cherry pie filling. Take that off, dump that in. If you love cherries as much as I do, you are gonna love this dessert. Mix this all together. Let me get a whisk in here, make it easier. And I know that it looks like 1 can of pie filling isn't enough, but look at how puffy it got. Just takes a little bit of time to make sure that it's all put together. But once it is, we are going to put this into a 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes. And I'll show you what it looks like. This just came out of the oven. It is nice and puffy, but because it's an Angel Food cake mix, it's gonna settle. Like I said, it's gotten flattened out. So we're gonna take some extra creamy whipped topping. Such a great way to kind of fill in that space. Just put the whole thing right on in there. Perfect. Just use that to fill in that space, and also use it kind of like a frosting on top. This is kind of like a reverse Black Forest cake, because like Black Forest cake starts with a chocolate cake. So this one we're starting with a cherry Angel Food cake. Got some cream filling, and then now we've got some dark Hershey's chocolate. I've just popped that in the freezer for about 10 minutes just to make this super firm. And then I've got a vegetable peeler. Just gonna go in. Did you know, I just found this out on TikTok. Vegetable peelers don't just work this way. They actually work back and forth. I had no idea. So you can actually do this, just saw back and forth. Cover this whole thing with shaved dark chocolate. So good. And then all you have to do is take a spoon and dig on in. Oh, it's gonna be so yummy. Look at that. Oh, got a little piece of cherry. Very, very good. You should totally make this. Oh my God, it really is like Black Forest cake.